Hello friends! Today we're making a delicious and healthy air fryer chicken breast with roasted broccoli and cherry tomatoes. This recipe is perfect for dinner or your lunchbox. Let's get started. First, take about 1 pound, 500 grams of chicken breast and score it with a crosshatch pattern. By the way, how often do you use your air fryer? We use ours 4 to 5 times a week, and we'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments how often you cook with yours. Set the chicken aside and let's prepare our marinade. In a mixing bowl, let's combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, juice of half a lemon, freshly squeezed, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 garlic cloves, minced or pressed, and finish it by adding salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together until well combined, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed and the flavors meld together perfectly. Now take your scored chicken breasts and coat them evenly in the marinade. Speaking of air fryer favorites, what's your go-to ingredient to cook in it? We love using ours for fish and chicken. Drop your favorite ingredient in the comments, and we'll try making a recipe with it. Once coated, place them in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to let the flavors absorb while we prepare the broccoli. For the broccoli, cut about 7 ounces, 200 grams of florets. But if your air fryer has a larger basket, feel free to add more to suit your needs. What's the best meal you've ever made in your air fryer? Drop an answer in the comment, and we'll be happy to make some interesting recipes for you. I love you all. In a bowl with broccoli, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika powder. Mix everything together until the broccoli is well coated. Now it's time to cook. Take the marinated chicken and carefully place it in the air fryer basket, making sure the pieces are arranged in a single layer for even cooking. Set the air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and cook for 20 minutes. This temperature allows the chicken to cook through while keeping it juicy and tender. After 10 minutes, open the air fryer and brush the chicken with the remaining marinade for extra flavor. Cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of your chicken breasts and how crispy you like them. Feel free to add a couple of extra minutes if needed. Then, add the seasoned broccoli to any open space in the air fryer basket. With 2 minutes left, Add a handful of cherry tomatoes to the basket. This will give them a perfectly grilled and juicy texture, making them the ideal side for our dish. And that's it. A perfectly cooked, healthy, and delicious air fryer meal. Juicy chicken breast with roasted broccoli and blistered cherry tomatoes. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.